Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to my show once again. Yes, una know that man. What do they call Mustafa? Mustafa. He was the former CSO, Chief Security Officer, to the late head of state, General Sani Abacha. Una know say that man do a lot of things, a lot of terrible and horrible things in that country where they call Nigeria. You get now this same man where they call Mustafa, now him let people know say he gets some Yoruba leaders. When we say the person when lead them go Aso Rock, that time when they kill MKO Abiola, the person when lead them go now Chief Ayo Okpodakun. This Mustafa can't let everybody know say this Chief Ayo carry some group of Yoruba elderly men come collect money when they take kill MKO Abiola. Abi money from people when kill MKO Abiola. When the man come they talk say in record them, in record everything when happen that time. But everybody knows say Mustafa a very brutal military officer. When we say, in fact, people can't talk say that same Mustafa, ladies and gentlemen, this thing what they tell on na facts. You get that same Mustafa, people can't talk say na Mustafa na him give people gun for una when not know or when not know the history of this Mustafa before. Na him give people gun when they go kill, even mastermind the killing of Kudirat Abiola. You get because the first kill Abiola first before they can go kill his wife. Sure you get. Now they say that this man I mastermind them, but the man denied everything. The time when they release this man, when they carry this man go court, go do his case with the federal government. But this Mustafa, according to what we hear that time, Mustafa deal with many people. In fact, Nahim and Abacha, the dictator, na them rule Nigeria those days. Let me say the Abacha can't die. As Abacha die, Funky did not know how they can't go capture Mustafa, come put Mustafa for prison. The reason why when I bring out this Mustafa issue, ladies and gentlemen, be see, Una know say this man when Una they call Una president one day now, not be better person. Not be better person. You get this man now, they don't go carry this Mustafa. See, Mustafa go there among the people. In fact, this man a retired general. This Mustafa a retired general, ladies and gentlemen. Government now can recruit Mustafa again. Say make him come back to service. This person when don't cause havoc in Nigeria. Person when don't kill many people in Nigeria. When we say the whole Nigeria, they know the history of this Mustafa. They say now Mustafa now he go come they lead them. Say in Sabi negotiate with the terrorist group. Say now he go negotiate for the release of La Shaibu and the Chibok girls when we say Boko Haram them hold to ransom. Una get? So I can't say now be say all these young guys then when they into Nigerian military or army, they're not there. Now be say the man when be the general now when they now when they call Borata. Now be say Borata himself not they do his job because when they go recruit somebody like this Mustafa when they know say na killer man when not they respect law man when not they respect nothing. Now him then go bring see making the lead them to go beg the Boko Haram people made them for release the Chibok girls. Chibok girls, one we don't already know, say all these things na story. Ladies and gentlemen, I say this one na the Una Buhari when Una say na him Una want. Now, he don't bring back Mustafa back to the army. Funky did not know the reason why, but the reason when I thought be say now go lead and go back the Boko Haram, I be the herdsmen, people want to kidnap the Chibok girls. Now be say our army not the function. Now be say all these young men went full our military. Now be say they know if you do anything. Now be say they not if you do anything again. When it come be say somebody when be say na retired general na him Buhari and his group go recruit again back to the army.
Kabas, to be precise.
In fact, na Kabas, na them, they do all these things when they do. You understand? Because then say get some group when we say, you know all these Malam, Fulani people when they that country, Funky D not understand waiting they happen. They say that all these Malam, we get some group when they get the name, whether they call themselves, when we say na then whether na them beg Buhari or Abi Jubrio, make Mustafa come back. Say Mustafa now the only person who go fit do the job in the whole country. Where that one they happen. Person one don't retire before. Person when don't commit heavy atrocity, kill Abiola wife, but in they deny saying hand not there for this Abiola matter own. But even including his wife. But waiting we know, waiting history tell us we see this Mustafa now give them gun, now plan everything, now conduct everything until the execution of Kudrat Abiola. Now, this one na one chance, ladies and gentlemen, when Nigerian people don't enter, because Funky don't tell una say, make una dey very careful of this una Buhari, aka Jubri, Aminu Asudani. Now everything don't they play out now because you know if you come and come tell me say young guys when they get young brain, when go sabi do things, find this Boko Haram, fight the Boko Haram, say they're not there inside the army. When it come be see somebody when be see Nigeria know waiting the man don't commit. Now him now Buhari aka Jubri don't go come back to service. How una take no say na Mustafa go fit bring back these people? Even these people when they tell us when we know say already na lie, una they lie to us. When we know say una never catch any Chibok girls. All this one we know say na wayo una they tell the whole Nigerian people. Say una catch any Chibok girl, na lie. My question before in some of my videos, I say if they release some, waiting make them wholesome. Waiting be that when see make Boko Haram wholesome and can release some. The business when we know say una they take this Boko Haram, they do. Now una don't recruit Mustafa to come begin they do the business, strategize the business well for una. How now we take the chop Nigerian money? Somebody like Mustafa, we don't need Mustafa in the military service again because of the killings. Thousands of people, Nahim Mustafa and that man, what they call Abacha, killed during their time. Now that kind of person, Buhari aka Jubri, they bring back to his government because this thing na big plan, ladies and gentlemen. Because I know say this man, what they call Mustafa, na heartless man. We not know waiting Funky D not know waiting kill Abiola, but now Mustafa they talk say na Yoruba elderly men na then kill Abiola, follow kill Abiola, follow share some millions of dollars then days. Say in the there where they share the money. But people say na lie, but nobody feel proof whether na lie, whether na true. Now only Mustafa and then God they there when the thing they happen. During the military regime. Now this same person, when supposed they jail, now him, Jubri, aka Buhari, don't go come back to the to service. Now the thing when Funky they tell on, I say this man when they there cannot offer you any job. Young guys they there, able-body men they into the military. Why it can't be seen at this one? They can't go bring back. They say not be only this one, no, them plenty. When they be military, wicked military generals, now the man don't recruit back to the office so that then go the feed they do, waiting that they do. Waiting Nigerian military general, waiting in they do when it come be say then go recruit this people. Now be say then they tell us say the general one day today, he not sabi work, he not sabi in job, he not sabi anything. That's why they go bring this man come. Because if the man they doing job well, Nigerian government no go recruit this man, this wicked man come back when don't kill a lot of people. The time when they rule Nigeria, now the worst time when Nigeria don't ever see. The time when this Mustafa, now the same man when they go bring back, say, now he go release Chibok gas. Chibok gas will no see, they take us, they play banya, they take us, they play, they do what they do for there. Where is Borata, the Nigerian military leader, when they go bring this will come? Even if I think some people now don't see that man again when we see the man when they work for American when be ambassador to Nigerian ambassador to America, the 80 something years old man when not they walk, when not get leg, when they take move, when we see he get some egbe wager left and right in case him fall, people won't go reason. Now that kind of people Buhari they employ. Now those kind of people they work for Buhari. When young guys full for that country, tell me now how young guys when they that country go get job. When we say now the old people Buhari Abi Jubri they bring back to the to Nigerian military. How people young guys go get job in that country. I don't understand. Okay, now it just be like now when we don't hear again say the man won't travel. Go vet his ministers in abroad. Where that one they happen. A newly elected president. When supposed they, you know say that travel when they travel, I make 6 months the man not fit. You not even fit arrange his cabinet members for good 6 months. Now the same thing now when one repeat because the man don't talk say in the travel again. Travel go where? Now only Nigeria would they say all these things then they happen. When we say somebody never win election where you claim say now you win and when you use force enter. You don't use force enter now. Now the same travel. You want to the travel. Travel when I don't travel before when we say we not see the beginning and we not see the end. How you go there abroad they vet your ministers. Not be in Nigeria is supposed arrange what you want arrange. Anyway, maybe this man in the go Sudan. They recruit new cabinet members from Sudan. Maybe that is what Buhari is traveling for. Because they tell us now say he won't go holidays, but who they talk say he won't go Sudan, go carry over or about 80% of his cabinet members come from Sudan when go work for him. Because I know say according to the thing when we hear, say that man not be Nigerian man. To that travel, this is why you travel. When the man they travel, ladies and gentlemen, we have to be very, very careful. Even Buba Galadima don't tell us, say, people when they work with this man, when they there today, when they call Buhari, aka Jubri. Buba Galadima don't tell us, say, he don't know any face, anybody at all among them. Not like before, when we say he did there with him, he know everybody. But now, he don't know any face when they work with this man. Maybe not the same thing because then say in one sack 80%, then maybe they go Sudan, maybe in they go Sudan, go bring another people when go follow him, do the job for the rest 4 years. Can you imagine? Can you imagine where Nigeria they go when we see every now and then president they travel, then they give us detail. President go sick, we don't know anything when they happen to them. Anything when they happen, then they hide them. I never understand the country when all these things they happen. Now only Nigeria, then they happen. So waiting me from Kidi come out again today. Now because of waiting me at the news them when I see concerning Nigeria. How retired general. Over how many years this man don't retire? More than 15 years. This man don't retire. Goes enough for us. After he don't serve some small time for jail. Now they won't bring the man back. See, now go fight Boko Haram. Make you not see how lazy Buhari government, aka Jubri, how lazy government be. You get. I say that vet when the man they go vet. Why not vet what they want vet in Nigeria? Why can't be saying abroad? Now abroad that they vet. It be like where somebody now in London win election, they come Nigeria, come they vet his minister. Where that one they happen? Or maybe this Ghana man, when they now maybe they re-elect me, just fly, go Nigeria, go they vet. Now so government they work. No wonder when this man not fit make up his ministers for over 6 months in last election when they do. That's 2015 election. If you are not fit do anything, if you don't know the protocol, make you remove your hand from presidency, Jubri. Una when they there, when we see now be the cabals, when they turn this man left and right, they lie to Nigerian people, say the man won't travel, go vet ministers, make una stop to the lie. Make the man sit down, arrange things if you want arrange things. Though we not need that man, now una still use force, do what you want to do, put the man back. The young Nigerian people, when we say una say na Buhari and Atiku Abubakar, Funky D say in don't leave una Buhari aka Jubri Amino Sudani for una. Make una see am because now in don't recruit brutal men back to office when they go take show na Pepe. When you want to take show una when be Nigerian people want to hear word na Pepe the man go show na this time around. Although you don't tell una say in second term in next level na big problem. You don't tell all of una before say na heavy hunger so make una dey wait. The money when belongs to Nigerian people now everything go grant. Now una go see una go know so that next time when good person come up saying one become president una go recognize that person. After Buhari, aka Jubri, don't deal with una. Next time, una go learn lesson to choose. Next time, fear and shame no go let una they call Atiku Abubakar when one can sell everything when Nigerian people don't suffer for so many years. Funky D. Now here we go stop. Hamza Mustafa Funky D say those Chibok girls. Now why you una they tell us? You know they go rescue anybody. Now money you they come thief with Jubri. You want tell them how I want take thief our money. So make una stop to the thief our money. Funky D. Everybody. Yeah. If you never subscribe before, ladies and gentlemen, make sure see you begin subscribe to Funky D right now. If you know the comment before, may you try to the comment. They hear they read on a comment, ladies and gentlemen. If you never press that bell sign when they there, please make sure see you press that button one touch. So anytime when Funky D upload, you go get my video. One love, everybody. Funky D. One. Thank you and bye.